Same time, body's moving, feet's moving.
Oh my goodness! Flyingknee! Perfect!
The fight clock is brought to you by Modelo.
Second round, and Benjamin grabbed the back of his leg. Oh, beautiful! He's hurt! Move! That's it!
There's the knee. Almeida is ready.
Avoid the clinch and Houston, he got him!
Flying knee, he knocked him out. That's it, this fight's over.
Still in round one with 30 seconds. That
Oh, big shot!
was the fight with it. There's that knee. Knee knocked out. Beautiful. Oh, he heard it. He heard it. Taking it. Oh!
Flying knee! Oh, Landwehr buckled, backing up. Safe right now. Big knee. That's it. Nice knee. He got it. Verdun trying to finish.
Huge knee.
Minutes in the fight.
Oh, huge knee. Flying knee. He's in trouble. He's bleeding. Is battered. Oh, big knee. That is huge. He's in big trouble.
Seconds remains.
Oh, head kick again. Oh, Luis is in trouble. He's in big trouble. Oh, big knee. Big knee.
Nullify his great grappling skills.
Oh, he rocked him. That's it.
Caught him with a flying knee.
He knocked him. Looking to finish him off.
Very.
Flying knee.
That rocked him.
Looking to finish it.
BJZ, his hands are more closed when he steps forward.
See if James Irvin. Oh, giant knee.
This up.
Good combination. Winds his knees.
Excellent combination. One of the few times Barbosa's gotten up.
And his confidence. The reason why that happens is look at Johnny Watson with another flying knee. He throws so